2013 Dodge Dart multifunctional switch replacement. All right, first thing first, disconnect the battery. Then you need to take the steering wheel off. In order to do that, you're gonna use T30. There is two opening right here on the back. One and the one on the other side. When you wanna take it off, be careful, there is a mark here. There is a mark here and there is a mark right here. So they have to line up. You take it off, then you're gonna face three wires. Then you're gonna face three wires belong to the airbag right there. And take the all the it's just like match the color. Take black, red and blue off. When you take them off, make sure you lock that clock spring. I'm always telling everybody, if you don't lock it, you're gonna mess up the clock spring. So make sure you lock it, and then when you do, there is the two screw on the lower cover. The upper cover is already off, and use T8 right here, one here and one the other one. When you take that off, there is a pin, pushed in pin here and one over there. When you push that, snap it in, then you should be able to take that off. I already got the other part right here. So as you see, it's like that, and there's a very small tiny wire goes right there, right here. So that's how it works. But again, be careful about that clock spring. You don't want to break the clock spring and let the airbag on. So you can use the T8 again for take off these two, and after that two pins, very tiny pins, one here, let me show you, right here, see, I pushed it in right here, and one from the top, and then you should be able to take that switch off. There is nothing else. Just again, be careful about the clock spring. I'm very kind of concerned about that. And after that, you should be fine. Put back that steering and make sure you line it up. Along with that, tight the center bolt, and that's it. The wiper blade was working all time, so we came up to conclusion that this one has gone the malfunction. So we're just replacing this one, and that take care of the problem. Anyway, that was a summary of replacing the multifunctional switch on Dodge Dart 2013 2.5 multi-air. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.